This is a boat, just bought it, took it to the lake, and when he goes to a hard turn, the boat cavitates. And I actually know the local mechanic that's been working on this thing. The customers paid him $3,000 to work on it, but with it cavitating, I said, so why is it up off the transom? And this mechanic was the one that actually raised the motor. I checked with Bayliner on the 21 element that shows that it should be lowered all the way down and not up off the transom, so that's probably why it's cavitating in a turn. So this is the motor that came on this boat originally, so we're going to go ahead and put the motor down to where it came from the factory. But the main reason I was got the video is, I guess this is one of the ones that you remove the lower unit with no tools needed. Well, that one's loose too. But it's really a neat thing when you tighten down the lower unit when you change the impeller. So we're going to go ahead and drop the motor down and let him take it back out and see if it cavitation problem's gone.